to another episode of Get in the 240 and Drip. Oh, okay.
Look at this chicken out.
Alright. You know what you're doing. Hell no. Be evil. I done took this whole radiator off.
What the fuck? You called that shit a radiator?
I don't know what to do with that damn carburetor.
A carburetor?
We'll have to take a motor out, bro, cause damn.
Oh, you think they're just doing it just to do it? Probably. For real. Anyways, guys, what we are doing today is I got some spacers from a homeboy, Jason. I'll leave his IG somewhere around here. But anyways, we took one of these studs out because they do not fit on one of my lug nuts that I'm getting in. These are a 12 by 1.25 and we need a 1.5. They's taking me to some auto place. AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advance,
Whatever has it.
wherever has it. And we're in the 240 today. Well, I'll see you guys at Harbor Freight. At O'Reilly's. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Yesterday we didn't get to find all the studs, but it's a new day. It's Saturday morning and Jose skipped work today. And we're gonna come and eat at this place I've never ate before. But look at the Lexus, guys. Stance crazy. Big taco life, boys.
Cause you like big tacos in you.
Bitch. To be a real Mexican, you put this shit on your shit. I don't even know which one's hotter. Nah. Very little. No, but why'd you fucking kill me? What's up, guys? So we got to Firestone and today we are gonna be putting the splitter on. Get the splitter, bitch. Get the splitter. Get the splitter.
Splitter? Splinter?
Splinter. Get the splinter. Jose, get in the car. Get in the car and go through the moonroof and have the splinter up and you'll be the, what is it, the shot. That's one of the pieces. We got 2 more pieces in there and I think it's a 3-piece splitter. Bitch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, you're fucking, dude, why do you always fuck up my shit? First you did my wheels, now you're gonna fuck up my splitter?
I already have scratches on it.
No, it didn't until you fucking started touching it. But anyways, guys, we're gonna jack up the car. We're not gonna take the front bumper off because we think it's gonna be a little too hard. We're just gonna jack up the car, put it on some stands, and then we're gonna put this splitter together and then mount it to the bottom of the front bumper. And that's what we're gonna do. The car on our ghetto rack made by Jose, and now we're just gonna lift it up, put the jack stands under it, and yes, now Jose is gonna put all the parts out. Stop looking like you're fucking from my anime. Here, do your job, put the parts out. I'm just playing. You ain't real friends if you don't talk shit to each other. Doesn't look funny. What? Did you get that?
Oh, hey, that fucked up.
Why? That's fucking eyeballing it, bitch. He's all
How many technicians does it take to put on a fucking splitter?
Too many.
The world will never know. looks more aggressive.
Flawless. It looks like we did it on the first try. We did it on the first try.
First try, guys.
First try.
First try, first try.
Not the third or seventh. Keep going. Oh, keep going.
Look and go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. You're good. Damn. I am recording it, but there's no sunlight, so you can't really like get a good view of the fucking splitter. Oh my god, dude, I'm so fucked. You don't understand how fucked I am. At least I don't have to go lower now because I already looked.
Let's go put it in the sun.
Well guys, we came to the pavilion so I can show off what it looks like with the splitter. And it looks fucking sick. For a $50 splitter, it was fucking dope. It took us about 2 hours just to get the alignment on. The alignment perfect, well, perfect to our eyes, but let me see. But it took us forever just to do it. Damn, see, it looks better on yours. You know what? Fuck iPhone. I think I'm gonna go back to an Android. That fucking, dude, that camera, that picture looks way better on that. And that's an S8. I need to get a fucking, an iPhone 11. I was all talking shit. Let y'all look at it. You can tell me how you guys like it. Jose's gonna turn it around. But dude, that splitter looks crazy. Oh shit. Hey Jose, why don't you just become a Lexus boy already?
How much fucking do a burnout and go?
No, bitch! Damn, I didn't know my car looked so good when it drives away. Damn, that bitch is fucking sick. Dude, that's so fucking sick. Wow. This is like a dream come true. Like, this is like one of my fucking dreams, just to see the progression of my car. Go, this is so crazy. Wow. And then all we need to do is put the spacers on, and then we'll be ready for a clean culture. And that's about it. Dude, that's crazy. Wow.
Looks like a fucking
That's so fucking sick. I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera, but it looks so fucking amazing in person. What would you rate this car? 1 out of 10. Be honest. 7. That's better. 7.5. Big dick. That's so crazy. Above average. That's awesome. That's fucking sick. Damn. I'm like really happy of how it's coming out. So it looks so much better in person. I think so. It's so fucking crazy. Maybe. But guys, if you go out to Clean Culture in Round Rock, November 24th, I'll be there with my car and the rejects. Maybe Jose would be there. Bitch ass. But yeah, guys, I don't know. I promise you guys, the car looks so much better in person. To my point of view, my opinion, it looks way better than what it is on camera. Bitch. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry I really didn't talk that much in the beginning of the video. I just wanted to get this done. I mean, it was, like I said, it was a super tedious process. It took a while. We were there bumping heads with each other, like trying to figure out how to do it. And I was like, you know what? Fuck it. We're going to do it this way. and then we did it. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed these cinematics, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming soon. Oh yeah, don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.
fuck. You gotta say it with excitement.
Right,
You gotta be. You gotta be
One more
like.
time.
I need those fucking subscribers. Come on, let's get to 300.
Alright, let's go. Retake.
Retake 2. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy these cinematics, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. So don't forget to like, comment.
Subscribe.
What the fuck, bitch? And subscribe!